What's up, guys? It's your boy D Fresh in the building. Guys, what we're going to do today, we're going to go over Thursday's game plan. But before we do that, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. So let's go ahead and get right to it. First ticker up is for the newbies and beginners. Where y'all at? If you new into trading and you just getting your hands into options trading, then I'd probably say sit back and kind of get your training up. Watch a couple videos on candlestick charting, options trading for beginners, and then just kind of pay attention, follow along what we're doing, and then jump into some of these tickers. But I'm going to give you guys some tickers that won't break the bank that you can get into and you can make good money, because these tickers, I'm telling you, they have the volatility, they have the volume, they move nicely up to the upside, and they move nicely to the downside. So if you're a fan of puts, you can make money in this right here, watching bear plays. And if you a bull and like that run up, you can make money in this play. You don't have to follow Tesla, SPY, Nvidia, these high dollar plays that the contracts are expensive. Telling you, you can make some money in these low end tickers right here. So give it a shot. But if not, let's go ahead and get into it. First ticker up is going to be HIMS. As you see, look what I like about they. Look at those boom, boom candles right there. Look at that. We starting way down here at 58.76 and boom, look at that. We sitting up at 68.77. Look at that. SPY didn't even give you a $10 pop today. So I'm telling you, you can make money in these plays right here. This is crazy. Look, they gave you that pullback, and then what happened? Boom, they ran that thing up a little bit more from 68 to 73. It's crazy. Then they came, chopped back down. Look at that downside movement. That's 66 bucks all the way from almost $73. That's good money to make money on the way up and the way down. And tomorrow, what we want to see this play do, they're sitting at 68.80. If you are a bull, what you want to see them open somewhere around 69.10. If they can do that, next level up, boom, you got 70.20 on the way. Next level up, boom, 70.95. They break through that right there. Check this out. Boom, 72.45. Next level up is going to be 73, that heavy level right there. So on the downside, what you want to see them open somewhere around 67.90. They can do that right there. Next level down is going to be this stuff in here at 66.60. They break through that right there. You got 65.80 on deck, and then boom, 63.40. Next level down, boom, 62 bucks. So we'll handle this one in real time once they start taking out those levels. Next ticker up, guys, this is another one. This is another banger that you can make money in. Ticker symbol TEM. Look at these moves that they give you. We sitting down here at 79.50. Boom, 86.90. That's great money. You can do a whole lot with these plays right here. So they're sitting at 85.70. If you are a bull, you want to see them open higher than 86.90. You want to see them break through that before they start running to the higher stuff. On the downside, you want to see them open somewhere around 85.20. Next level down is going to be this stuff in here at 84.40. Next level after that, you got 83.80, and then boom, 82.60. We'll handle in real time once they start taking out those levels. Next ticker up is going to be Hood. And guys, if you just watching the videos, taking down the notes, most of this stuff that I covered the night before ends up identifying themselves throughout the session the very next day. So, man, I'm telling you, this is free game. You tune in, you could kill these plays the next day. So let's go ahead and get into the Hood and see what they gave us. We are sitting at 59.21. If you are a bull, you want to see them open higher than 59.60. They can do that. Next level up is going to be 60.05. Next level up after that, you got 60.73, and then they can break that. Got this middle piece in here at 61.40, and then boom, got 61.90, heavy level. On the downside, you got 58.65. You want to see them open lower than. They can do that. Hood's going to have a rough day. They can fall hard after that. You can possibly see this thing fall all the way back down to 56.70. Next level after that, you got 55.60. So I will be keeping my eye on that play right there. Big baller shot callers, where y'all at? You already know I got a couple for you. If you choose to spend that kind of money, it's all good. Potato, you love it. I love it. It's all good. I can't say I'm not guilty of playing SPY. I love SPY. Tesla, you already know, anybody that know me, I only play Tesla one time a week, and that's on Friday. So let's go ahead and get into the SPY first. They're sitting at 612.95. If you a bull, you want to see them open higher than 613.20. If they can do that, they're going to start running this thing to the higher stuff. They can push this thing up to 615. If you know how I play, you know I don't really mess with tickers. Once they get in that all-time high area, I like to see them make some history up top before I get into it. That way I know what they're going to do in the middle. I got some type of control over my play and not waiting for Wall Street to give me that rug pull like they famous for doing, because we witnessed it today. On the downside, you want to see them open lower than 612.50. If they can do that, next level down is going to be 611.80. They break through that, you got 611.40, and then boom, you got 610.90. Next level after that, you got 610.65, and then they lose that, they coming back down to 609.90, another heavy level. So there you go in that one. Next ticker up, we're going to throw Tesla out there. Guys, I had a play in the Discord on Tesla. If you caught that play right there, that was a crazy run up. I said calls. I think it was a break at 355. And as you see, they boomed that thing all the way to 367. That is a $12 run. Man, shout out to you guys that was able to catch that play and make some money on that. But they're sitting at 360.65 right now. If you are a bull, what you want to see them open higher than 362.70. They can do that right there. They're going to run this thing up to 365.90. Next level up is going to be 368.02. They break through that one. Boom, you got 373.20. We'll handle in real time. If you are a bear, what you want to see them open somewhere around 359.75. They can do that. You got these bottoms right in here. Let's just call it 357.40. They lose that right there. Check this out. Boom, you got 351.40 on deck. So we'll handle this one in real time as well. We do have data, guys, in the morning at 8:30. We got a report that come out. So all of that will go down before the market opens. And I think we got something else at 10 a.m. as well. But you already know I'm driving the car, so I'll be letting you know what they're doing as soon as they start making clear directions. So there you go. And Tesla, guys, I want to throw a couple earning plays out there. You got Walmart that reports tomorrow before the bell, and you got Baba that opens tomorrow morning before the bell. And if you take a look at the Walmart chart, Walmart is priming to explode. They just looking for a reason. If that reporting is good, they gonna shoot past this area up in here at 105.25 and try to explode this thing to that 110 area. And on the negative side, they can get busy on the downside. We just got to see how Wall Street is taking in that report. On the downside, you want to see them push this thing somewhere around 103.10. If we can open up down there, next level I'm going to be looking for is going to be this stuff down here at 101.85. And then possibly they take this thing all the way back down to this area down in here, 96.50. So there you go in that one right there. So we just got to sit back and wait and see what that report is like and how the market is taking it. Last but not least, guys, I cannot walk away from here without throwing Palantir on there. Guys, first, let's just talk about this for a second. Everybody that rock with me and know how I play, you know, anytime a ticker get in all-time highs, the first thing that I'll tell you is, hey, you know, this ticker don't look appealing to me anymore, especially especially for day trading. Now, if you holding this long term, then I don't have nothing against that right there, because in stocks, you don't lose no money until you sell. Options trading works a little different. You got the premium burn, you got the contract burn, and if the play's not going your way, it's burning your money that way, and then you have a date that you got to exercise that thing by. You got to sell it by. And if it's not going your way, especially with a drop like this can be devastating. I think Palantir is sitting somewhere around 106.25 right now. So they are still dropping. This is almost criminal, the drop that they took today. And I know it was news came out with the president and what he announced, but still, guys, I always say when these plays are getting in all-time highs, expect the rug pull. Yeah, it was news that caused it or whatever. It was just a matter of time. Palantir has been going bananas over the last couple weeks, and this happened, and man, it rocked their world. And if you rock with me, you already know I'm out here throwing the shots. I'm letting you know I put a play out there. Somebody asked, hey, Fresh, can you throw out levels for Palantir? I said, Palantir, bulls need to recover that level back up at 125.50. I'm not entertaining jumping into anything call related until then. So, guys, that's what I'm looking at. When they in all-time highs, I'm not even considering playing that call. So I hope you took heed and took warning on that right there, because as you see what happened after that, I mean, it got silly. Look at those candles. We all seen what happened. This thing just collapsed, and it kept collapsing. And man, I know it was people out there that was holding calls and they instantly got smoked. And I hate that. And another thing that, guys, you know, I'm always throwing out there, I don't trade in power hour. I put it in last night's video. I told you my reasonings why I don't trade in power hour, because this is when Wall Street wait to play those games. They wait to trick you because they know everybody is FOMO and everybody want to get into something before the market closed, or still holding on to something where they could have took profits out and they didn't. And they wait to that last minute in power hour, and then they pull that rug, and then this happened. So guys, it's so important. I know it's cliche, see profit, take profit. Man, you got to do that. If see profit, take profit, don't wait for the $1,000. If you at $500-600, man, trim some of that down. Some $100 is better than no $100. Don't ever forget that. So that's enough on that. You know, I hope anybody that was in calls able to recover some of that money. Prayers to you guys. I want to give a shout out now. This is the time where we do the shout outs to Marie B. Hit me up. Thanks, D Fresh. Took profit of $300. So glad I found you in this Discord. Champagne bottles in the air for you. You took that 300. You made money. You killed that play. Anytime you finish in the green, that is good stuff. I'm super duper proud of you. Champagne bottles in the air. Keep grinding. I love it. For everybody else, if you're not in the Discord, get in the Discord. That way you got access to my full list of morning call outs, as well as the technical analysis breakdowns on the top plays throughout the session. I done took enough of your time, but hey, if you like sniper type, level to level, periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, NVIDIA, Tesla, Palantir, Hut, Hood, Nike, go ahead and tap into the Discord. The link is in the description above. If you like this kind of content, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like button below, subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. And as always, we grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it. Boom.